Hello, everybody. I am John. It's a great day today, and we have a special announcement for all of you. With me is my friend Joanna.
Thank you very much, John. Yes, I'm so excited for what God has in store for us in Jais this summer.
What are your plans this summer? Do you know that Jayas has summer activities this coming weeks?
I know. That's why we're here to invite everyone, including our friends, neighbors, and relatives, because summer is a season for enjoying one another's company. I guess we need to tell them right away.
Well, this coming Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, that is July 12, 13, and 14, we will have our 2013 Family and Youth Summer Camp. Where is this, Joanna?
This will be at Chilliwack at Sunnyside Campground at Cultus Lake.
So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up and sign up today to Ate Eileen, including details and directions.
What about for the kids? Do you have something for them?
Oh yes, of course. But this year, we will have a WVBS.
WVBS? What's WVBS?
WVBS stands for Weekly Vacation Bible School, and this would be at Bear Creek Park. We have 4 weeks of biblical learning activities for kids, and we will have a chance to invite our friends, neighbors, and relatives every week.
But John, are we invited there?
Of course, we will join and have fun with them.
So parents and guardians, register your kids through Ate Linda, Ate Cecil, or Ate Gina. What are you waiting for? Go, go, go!
Bye-bye for now. If you want to know more about Jayas Church, go to www.jayaschurch.ca or like us on Facebook. Bye-bye.